And these are the lights that I am installing. So how to replace the fog light on a 2016 Honda Pilot. Two ways. Go through here, take the screws out, then get to the bottom, take those out, or gently pull this out. Careful, because there's the sensor, there's the connection. Unplug it, and then you can just reach. It's gonna be tight. You should be able to do it. You might hurt yourself a little. Reach in there, twist it, and out it comes. Then just replace it. And gonna do the same thing over here. Again, same way. Go through here. You have to take the ones at the bottom out, or you can just pull this back and do it. I'll show you afterwards how it looks. This is the after. That's the before. And this is the after. Pretty bright. So far so good. Time will tell if they last.